We win, man. What number you going?
We need a well argument, man. Just tell him to call it. Call it Andrew call it. You remember in 2011? Call it Andrew call it. And then call it yes, what Mama do with him in 20 December 2011.
And he go back home, Mama in our exile.
Hold on. One call it down with.
Good day.
Eh?
This one I said to you, just a sickness. Just a sickness. Well on the info. Just a sickness. Don't bother with it.
Good day info. Give good
Mama
day info.
sick. Mama sick, and then woman recuperate. Take her out of it. So
No,
it couldn't be any leader, anybody at all.
Don't
do
put
that.
her in a retirement and exile. When she move to next week,
I know she going on. I know Mama put her in a retirement. But she never lose badly if you go in a retirement. You know that too.
You know
that too.
We don't talk about no sickness now.
You know that too. So when Mama lose, you know that. So when Mama lose by 20. Mama have 26 members of parliament. So nobody attacks her, put her in a retirement.
This man
come 26.
It wasn't 26.
Afternoon, Christopher.
Good afternoon, I want to tell you this. Anyhow, you talk about this PNP. Anyhow, PNP win back Jamaica. Jamaica gone back right to the 90s. So, what going on about is no leader.
Hold on.
When you come attack, I be shopping in your chat. You say, when we are PNP, we love Jamaica.
Hold on,
Jamaica.
This what me I said to you.
Me I tell you that. Who are not for their prison or love Jamaica?
The overtalking. So all your teacher people them want to listen. I know so it go man. Me not saying nothing say what you say. But when you
come is a Jamaican. All of my life, at PNP government, me growing up. You can't tell me nothing. Teach me nothing about PNP. Me I tell you something. What me you do? You remember say something, me you do. There's nothing you can say and do all this good you can say. The man do something good.
Wait till the time come, man. Make me talk. Then you come and rebut it and talk all the glory and the good about Anjo. But when you cross talk, you don't learn nothing from the life, brother. And that me I tell you.
But you can't teach me nothing. You have a PM.
Me never tell you me I teach you for
JPS. I PG JPS.
Me can't teach you something, man. Me teach you manners, man. Never
you can't teach me nothing. Nothing you can't.
Me I teach you manners. Me I teach you etiquette. Say what you want to say, all the good thing about Andrew, but when you get the time, man.
You don't have none of that. You don't have none of that.
Yes, that's what I said before. Right? The PNP, when we form the next government, help is on the horizon. All that those who give up, don't give up. Comrade Mark Jefferson Golin is here to your rescue. A man of integrity. We don't have sleep on the man.
What kind of integrity?
A man of honesty.
Honesty which part?
Right.
What are you talking about? You see the same thing stupidness you have
right.
with Babu and integrity and honesty.
Christopher, hold on, just a moment. Howard, just pass your moment, man. Maybe I said to Christopher, just hold it. Give him chance, make him talk, and then we will rebut. That's all I'm saying. So Howard, just hold on a moment. So when I'm had the overlapping, the overtalking, I know that you have put it to him, but he might not want to hear you. So, just yield. All right, Howard, over to you. Make your point. Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Trigger. That's all me I say. Me now tell him say enough is what I say. But the overtalking, it not go well. We now try for Muslim and say a lie I tell. I may ask him for, I may say I teach him is just manners. When me talk, then him talk and counteract it. That's it.
Yeah, but understood. But just get to
Thank
the
you very
point
much,
to say, and then
right.
the other person. I think hold on. I think Howard Brown will come in. Richard and I'll go on. Hold on. Howard Brown will come in. Then Quicksilver, because Quicksilver seems to be missing him and the caution tag on him. So Howard Brown, Quicksilver, Richard, and I'll lead off from there again. So go ahead, you got a minute and a half. Everybody get a minute and a half. Okay? Let's keep it moving.
Right.
Over to you.
At least we have a moderator who can moderate the thing. That's what we were saying before, right? JPS get a field there. The OUR was found sleeping in bed, right? They were found wanting, they're not doing their job. Under the PNP regime, the JPS couldn't have got away with this. Would have customer service in place. The team would have to have dispatched the various emergency team for the various paris in the event of disruption in service, and right away the work would have been started. They make super profits. There is no excuse for them. None whatsoever. All them do is just catch up the poor infrastructure, and as soon as them rape and make millions, them sell it and them gone. It's full time for the Jamaica government reining them. The government have 20% interest, so they have a seat at the table. Plus they have the regulator who should be doing their job. No excuse. None whatsoever. And I don't sorry for them, and I want the government to use its opportunity to come down hard at them and look at the contract and see where them can renegotiate and open the electricity to competition.
All right, hold on. Stop, Howard. Howard, your time has ended. Howard Brown, your time. Hold on. Howard, your time. All right, if Howard not coming, Richard St. Albin, do you want to contribute or rebut to what he has to say?
Man, I'm here. I'm here. I am here.
Yeah, man. So me I say talk. Your time to talk.
I'm saying I should say the same sentiments as Howard, because there are no regulation to protect it. Because if you put regulation in place, JPS are here to the regulation I put in place. And I'm being in Mandeville, right? I came to Mandeville like after the hurricane, because I was in Montego Bay. And up to now, I haven't seen one JPS truck or anybody looking around and see the condition of the place. Not even one up to now. I haven't seen one JPS personnel up to now, and I've been driving looking at generator for 2 days now, and I haven't seen one JPS personnel making any check, looking around and say they're doing an assessment. Up to now, I haven't seen one. And I want somebody in man to call and say if they see one. I haven't seen one up to now, not even one. And they fall flat on their face. And I think the government should come down hard on them, as I would say. Trust me. And this is not a political thing or anything, but JPS really done us bad this time. They do us bad this time. Nothing at all, believe it or not. Not one personal I ever see for JPS for the past 3 days. None. I have nothing more to say about that. Trust me.
That particular division. In addition to that, I wouldn't. This is not a time to even. Like when you go to my friend up here with Howard, to be even politicizing this thing and say Mark Warden real. This is a time of disaster. This work is even more than what JPS can really take a strike at all at once, because one, the interior areas of the necessary parishes have been damaged, especially like in South Manchester, Southern St. Elizabeth, Southern Clarendon, right round and round. They had damages. And not only that, you have damages in the major parts too. So for me, from a person, as I say, not just sharing an opinion, the JPS, if you should ask me, is overwhelmed with the amount of work that they have to do right now. Yes, it is. You will see that not all of Jamaica is just a small area. But then again, when it comes to roads and miles of road, they must cover all them areas, and not taking up any excuses to them. They should have could be a bit more proactive. But the light can just come back, so because them have to do them proper checks and balances and ensure that everything is in order ear by ear before them turn on the light. Moving on. Hold on there. Howard Brown, you here? Howard? No, I'm not there. All right.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, send me a call you a long time. You have a minute and a half, just like everybody else, to make your statement. So this time is yours. Over to you. 1.5 minutes.
Honestly, I have to say you have to give and take, because when I say like the road clear and them can drive go to a place, there's a lot of poles that is down right now, and you have to clear that roadway first and make sure you can go in. Plus them have all them station where them have to go check. thoroughly to make sure all because they can just turn on the lights so and then they mash up the whole system because something damaging at the station them. So me them have station. However, me think say them understaff right now. And as me hear the minister say, they're thinking of looking elsewhere, like that what them do like in a 1988 when Gilbert and blow. Well, I think that's a good way to go. Getting some help because obviously they need some help. And that's my little 2 cents right there.
Howard one. Come in again, your turn.
Moderator, I want to say something, moderator. I want to say
Okay,
something, moderator.
all right, hold on.
I hear Howard, my good friend Howard, one PNP said that talking about the OUR must reign in JPS and OUR must and the OUR that. But Howard, I want to remind you that the same OUR will try to override the constitution of the OUR. You remember that? So I don't want you come and try to say the OUR is not doing their job. OUR is doing their job. The OUR is the only time OUR ever get attacked from a PNP minister with monopoly with the extra lighting from with the new lighting that was supposed to come on. You remember that? I wonder if all remember.
Yeah,
When
man,
the
I
minister
think you may
uses powers
answer
to
you.
override a constitutional body.
Howard, your background kind of rough, though. Hold on the info. Howard, hold on. Howard, change your background so that you can come in clearer. Go ahead. Oh, Richard, me see some posts are coming here say the JPS is working in Mandeville, boss man. So you may not see them, but they are out there. Boss man, but yes, when then boss, I'm gonna find. But make sure you show you go on every single road in a Mandeville, every single road there is.
Tell me, where in man is that JPS and I can drive, go there and take the picture and show you. I've been up and down, I just come from Spalding and Christian and I haven't seen one JPS person just come from Spalding just now. Just now coming from Spalding and Christian looking at generator. So I want that person tell me where they are.
But then, friend of mine, that not make you cover the entire Mandeville for you to say no, them not out there. But I guess you know, see any of them out there work than to say they are not working. That not sound more reasonable, Papa.
Well, Howard one light and him bitter with
Yes,
it.
sir. No man, me just I said to you, say you can't be unreasonable. Hold on there, Howard. Richard, I'm just saying it is better you see you don't see any of them working than to see they are not working.
Mandeville, if you say Manchester, but I'm saying in the Mandeville era, I want the person to tell me where in Mandeville and let me go and drive and see because I've been in and around Mandeville, all over Mandeville. Mandeville, you know, not Manchester now. I've been in Mandeville, the surrounding of Mandeville, and I haven't seen one, right? Where am I?
All right, so the other question is this. During your traverse in the areas of Mandeville, you see down lines, down power poles and all that, and it look like it's being neglected? That's the question.
Yes, the power lines and thing down.
Right. You don't see no GPS people.
Listen, I live 5 minutes out of the town. I can walk in the town center where I live. I live very close to the town center. Cool. And I haven't seen anybody in my era. I can tell you, I can off Beryl Road and West Road. I haven't seen anybody around here.
All right.
And anybody who wants to my life, tell me why they make me go see them and take a picture and show them.
Right, cool. Hold it. All right.
Anybody who see them in the Mandeville, tell me where they're there.
Richard.
Anybody that tell me where they're in the Mandeville.
Richard.
You can't, hold on,
Howard.
Richard.
Howard, me are the moderator, so hold on back. Work with me. Richard, the person in the comment section that said they are out there working, tell us where it is so that we can tell Richard to go there. All right, Howard 1 PNP, over to you. Howard 1 PNP. Now your time now for coming.
Yes. As what I said before, listen, I said to you. JPS, they get rid of nearly half of them line staff. Gone are the days when time JPS were proactive under the PNP. Bush in a guan. Private contractor
Boss
get
man,
work.
boss man, boss man, boss man. Right
Issue
now,
rules.
you sir, we never come with
Yeah.
the politics now. We in a time of disaster, we must go to the
No man,
point
you
where
have
we
to
have
come
to
with it,
come,
man.
we have seek
No, you're mad.
solutions. We have seek solutions to
No,
turn
a
it around.
disaster, a
To help the people
disaster,
now.
but
No, what time of disaster?
a
So this thing
disaster.
where you have to
Yes.
politicize the disaster, cut it stop.
No man, yeah man,
I don't
you
agree
have
with you
to.
there.
You have to. For when the minister
No, sir.
fall on
No,
the
no, no,
seat,
no, no, no,
fall
no,
on
no.
the
We not
job.
politicize.
You have to highlight it. No man, you have to.
This not the. No, sir. This not the floor. You have to come politicize the disaster. You must urge those who are in command to say, look, that
The
time
gift
we go
now.
to the
And I
point.
give out this
Howard
thing
one
now.
PMP have been
So when you
disingenuous. Howard one PMP have been making they have to more deep political
trigger.
point.
Howard, hold on, Howard. Make
So,
Howard Howard one PNP talk and then you can rebut him. Over to you, boss. 90 seconds. Go.
all right. Yeah, man. You have to milk it. You have to score in the pints and you have to highlight it for we are up in the silly season right now.
You think you
Right?
say you win. If Cynthia win, not do that, man. That's
Howard Brown, Howard Brown. Hold it, man. Make him talk and then we handle it.
Man. How you behave, some man?
One boss.
Two Labour against two PNP, you know. On the base, so. All right. Beryl out there. Found like a baby. Come up. And you want to tell me, say, I saw where the Prime Minister in a drain on the 3rd, one day before Beryl strike. And look how long Beryl out there on the coast of the Gulf of Africa. Come up. And you want to tell me now, say, civics from where little picnic come up, say, the first I want till November a hurricane season. An earthquake from January to June. And you not prepare? The government found wanting.
Hold on, Howard, stop. Stop me at 45 seconds. Howard one PNP, stop. So one PNP, Howard Brown, yield Howard Brown. Yield, stop turn off your mic. Hear me now, Howard. Howard. That statement you make a while ago is very disingenuous. First of all, when a hurricane, sir, mute your mic, then you Christopher, mute your mic. This is disingenuous. Let us face it. When a hurricane are coming, right? When a hurricane is formed on the off of the coast of Africa, none of we don't know where it is. So that is a disingenuous statement. And politically, for me, that is weak. When you go and say, oh, we see it out there, you see the Prime Minister in a drain, this, that, what have you. Fine. That's all understood. But let us face it, when it is more than what you have as infrastructure, things will happen. And we'll have it then attack it after the hurricane has passed. So when you are going to use politics to make it, no, that wouldn't even tell you the avenue if you go. But to choose a different avenue, man. Go on, you have 45 seconds. I'm not disturb the rest of the week. Go. No, Howard one PNP has 45 seconds. Howard one PNP. Me I got this disingenuous to him. Give him time.
Go find somewhere else.
1 minute.
You Labour right, say if you run me half?
No,
Go
that's
on,
what
go on,
everybody has a chance. No.
If you come off
I
it,
don't agree with that. Hold on.
Come down. You see the disrespect.
Come on,
That's
Come
not
on,
right.
boy.
man.
Info.
What do you mean,
Trigger.
Look, all right, boy, you think a pet people? Come on, for this.
Come off my life, boy. Come off.
Wait. I know we don't see thing there, you brother.
Yeah, if you come off long time, you saw me get it
Come off, boy.
You saw me get it and go off, because you won't come with. Look, pan Dean what happen. Tell me, in a Dean, in a PNP time.
Disrespectful.
I come talk, you saw me come off, what does I come off, because be a stupidness, I come talk. But
Be a stupidness, boy, talk. Be a
it's
stupidness.
a poor man. Everything them come to school political point, just seem like them leader, they talk about Mark Golding. Everything them do. They don't care nothing about
Mark Golding. I want you see Mark Golding. And then will come out to make trouble now in a time where everybody will come together. Them come out.
Come together.
Yeah,
Them come to make trouble.
Bro.
Where was Mark Golding? Which part Mark Golding did they when the hurricane come?
2 days after
you never seen him.
Where man them for where?
As Labour win in England, in come out and make big speech.
Yeah, I hope you know me. He say I do nothing for nobody down here.
But nothing.
I come talk about
chat about them stinking mouth.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Mr. Brown.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
I want to ask a question, right? And this is a question, maybe me not so right it, maybe me could have been seen. But is there any country in the world that is fully prepared for a hurricane season?
Nobody can fully
No,
prepare. Nobody.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. And one more question, and I will mute my mic. If the Prime Minister or if the government has allocated funds for different communities and stuff like that, for disaster management, and the hurricane has just passed, do you expect that the Prime Minister is going to get everything done in one split second?
No, it cannot be.
Is he God?
How many days now we have that hurricane? 3 days. 3 days.
All right.
Hurricane, and you expect the things to go back to normal? Come on, man.
They can go back to normal one time. You see, what they don't understand, Mr. Brown, the hurricane could have come at a very more destructive way. And God spare us, and instead of we thank God for what He has done, for the little damage where we are got through, everything is falling on the Prime Minister's shoulder. And the man is trying his best. Why me I tell you, God Almighty? We're not right.
PNP this year, boy. So then
that is PNP. That is PNP.
Hey, may I say
And
something to you?
I said, when Labour come back, Jamaica come back after Dean.
I say something to you. You see up here, sir? All right, the electric thing, they run underground. So it's like, you don't have to worry about saying no, not going to tear down or nothing. And when you have a means of hurricane or storm, them still, you know, get light till all a week time, some places, same way. And me I tell you, say everything underground. When me say underground, everything underground. Only thing come up at the light post them, and the wire come up underneath the ground and touch to them. So you know, say you don't have nothing to blow down. Jamaica, everything up in the air. When a storm come, everything will come down. So you go have a lot of problem to deal with. Plus, remember I say, you have to go cut down tree, cut tree out of the way, clear the line them. Yeah, a whole heap of work involved in that, brother. And I know like a thousands of light posts blow down, brother. Plus, them have to go check when them plant. All of the plant, them have to check first before they can switch on nothing, brother. So I think a week is good for you start complaining a week. But them, you know why them are come for you, Because of that, them leader come doing and they give them leader legitimate. And a while they want while up in Jamaican crowd now, people.
The light gone and whatever gone, and we don't expect everything to return back one time. Why me no know? They coming like some alien people. Me no know something wrong with the people. Me no. A storm coming, a natural disaster. I know the Prime Minister do not need. It is a natural disaster that come to Jamaica. I know. What do want the Prime Minister to do now? More than what he's doing.
Even the best preparation.
Everything have a check. Everything have a check and access.
You see some water nearly 30 feet up in the air, brother. From what I see, and I see when the water lick out some. Come on, man. Them when the breeze are carry the water, then you carry water from all the sea and touch it there.
They say the PNP them do everything for school political.
How are you doing, girl?
They don't care nothing about Jamaica. I'm telling you that every time. Them don't care nothing about Jamaica. Everything them want to do for power.
Some people say no run him off.
I tell you.
They run with it go.
PNP just want power, so they do anything. They do hurt anybody if he does get power. That is the PNP.
No labor right. Playing me I go run them off.
No labor platform.
For that me I go start to show them man say man no play. Them too enough.
They have a company labor platform.
How you doing, girl?
How you doing? On the listener, we just need to thank God. Say we make it safely through the storm. Me see them a go around and I drag the Prime Minister name. Somebody send me one screen record where the one liquor miss me see and I comment run off her mouth, but she just show how dumb she is. Hear Sam tell her how dumb she is today, and she approve how dumb she is. The Prime Minister go around in a helicopter and inspect the damage done to the island. They want him go in a drone. They want him driving a Discovery if you go around and go back up in a fallen trees and light
Oh, if you
post.
drive, there's no driving way,
Right?
so if you drive.
But listen to this. Remember
So
the
stupid
storm.
it is.
Remember the storm in the early 2000 when they sent Flight Maris, the visually
Blind
impaired
man.
man
PJ said
in a
blind man.
helicopter to go inspect the damages done.
So if you go see
Yeah.
get a first hand view. PJ send a
Yes,
blind man in a helicopter
yes,
if you go get a first
yes.
hand view.
And that then if you talk about them get up on a bad man for a year, they look at me say you're shocked cost the Prime Minister and what for happen to
When
him
my
and this.
goal in there, I one time I see my goal
Look at
in
me.
for 2 times. I see him go down
Them
all
say him
over
a
and
drive.
I see him go over one goalie like in going a Prime Minister constituency about one goalie. Wait. Goalie water must wash it out. It will fix.
We not have no storm
Every time.
It's not a time for
when
no man
Peter
to point no
Phillips
finger. It's a time for everybody to work. But me glad the Prime
work
Minister not pay that
together.
no mind.
We
We don't pay
not
that no
have
man.
no
The Prime
storm.
Minister, we will deal with them
That's the
things
We
reason
not
why
already.
have
Andrew
no
was
storm
different
when
from
Peter
them.
Phillips did fly in a helicopter and go. And when they go Portland or St. Mary, we not have no storm them time there. But then get up every day and I curse the Prime Minister while I try to help the people in Jamaica. Me I tell you, see them people, man. You see them?
Prime Minister in a rain, me I watch it on my phone. Me see the Prime Minister in a rain and them a hold
Where was
umbrella over
Margoli?
head and him no
And
business about umbrella.
you're
I'm a
not here.
moving at the rain.
You're
Me say
Where
not
was
here
do
to
nothing.
Margoli?
That's
defend.
why when time me a class Jamaican, me no care. Then can't
True,
tell me
man.
anything when they want. Me class them angle them like a cause me no care because they ungrateful, no care what you
Okay.
do for
Uno not
them.
hear none
But
of
yeah,
them. Uno not hear none
Them
of them. Uno
only and
remember when the
solely
Prime
objective
Minister,
is to carry down Jamaica and carry down Andrew Wallace, brother. Them now
yeah.
business about
That is
when the
what
tomorrow.
them
Prime
want to
That's
do.
Minister,
one brother.
before the storm, the Prime Minister encouraged everybody to stay indoors, button down and be safe. Them of course I say, oh, the Prime Minister want to lock them down like sardine tin. When
You
you
don't
see
know
little
so
boy
me
wanna
glad I
jungle
wanna you see say I
defiance.
wanna me I'm glad say I wanna fool in I wanna fool in I
Wanna jungle
fool
defiance
here I
and
wanna fool
defiance.
when
I go
drunk
get
jump in
washed
a
away.
gutter.
Them supposed to up. Before then get up this man and I keep on prayer vigil. And that then should I get up and I do. Then get up and curse the Prime Minister after the man put so much work into this. You see them? You see them are people like them make the boy lose him life because guess what? Them get up and them make people say then tell the people them to be defiant and don't listen to the Prime Minister and take no orders from him. And you see,
Yeah.
he just go give away
Me see they
3
have
points just
posters that put
because.
on video, they have dance out in a hurricane. Where you can out a hurricane where breeze a blow and debris a fly up in the air, zinc a fly up in the air. Me say, God believe me, God
See them on the
forgive me of
phone.
my
Me see them
sin.
on the phone all a wind up on police vehicle. Me want know every police never have no charge to charge
God
them there.
forgive me of my
Me
sins
want
and my sin
know.
too much. But me sorry about 40 of them, he should have take away. The water should have take away in the rain there. All of them
Not one of
picnic,
them.
all one
Not
zinc,
one of
all
them
two
here
things
them never
supposed to
talk about little
fly.
boy get washed away and say it's important
They're not
for follow
responsible, man.
and listen
They're
to
not
these
responsible.
things.
Not do anything come out for nobody not even second down
Then
and
get
speak
up
to the
this
boy.
morning before them go help him family go search for him in a gully. Go search for him. Right? Then get up and post Andrew Ownless. But me telling you, see, Uno are gonna be
Then
the death of
them are
Jamaica.
custom man
Uno.
we are do the good. And left the man we are do the bad. Hey, I
I
want
want thing to
two
say.
times.
One thing say labor right. You see, every year the man who does kind of where I come tell him about we have to quit. But them mark goal when he win the next like one thing I tell him. He say anyhow, they make a mistake and make this man named Mark Goal in win this election. Remember, me can tell you no today, Jamaica. On the don't make that mistake and mark the PNP is no good for Jamaica. PNP don't want nothing good for Jamaica. You understand? PNP don't want nothing good for Jamaica. Because if you ever say you don't say nothing good what Andrew was that look at Jamaica transform from when PNP was a bit. Jamaica is a different Jamaica. So I don't know what this man come say. He must say nothing good when Andrew was a bit. Yeah.
Money.
You see? Tell you. That's very man. Me hate when the people them come and just there to them and tell when a man go to talk, man. First thing I gonna say, JPS. I will sell out JPS, PG. So what you gonna talk about? Hmm? You go, you must talk about no etiquette. What's that? PNP, none of the PNP is not good for Jamaica. And
Mark
about the
Gully,
people them can't see that.
England, Mark Gully there in a hurricane, you know. Mark Gully there in England, you know. Mark Gully in
You
there.
don't see him no time. You don't see him no time. So what am I going to talk
And they
about?
not talk about that. They not talk about that. Mark Gully not come and make no press, just say nothing to nobody. And nobody not
Him
talk
and his
about that. But
family.
I drive round. It don't say, look at Miss Claim say I drive round.
But look at Mr. Can chat
Illiterate,
to
look
them.
at Miss Claim say I drive round.
look at me,
That
say
just got to
illiterate
show
dunce,
you.
man.
That just got to show you how ill. In a
That's how you should go.
hurricane,
Should go
post
in.
hurricane, where you know say tree broke
Different.
down, security, the man have him security detail. Him a go run and look what damage done to him country. Him a go visit the people them. And uno want him go in a drone. Uno can't dictate, uno can't even dictate on the front. Uno want come tell the Prime Minister what to do. Go from here, little miss. Me hear you come a talk about what Andrew forgot do from what you not forgot do. Look on here too, you can't even read. You see your name from Bula, your name that. Go.
But you can't rule in yard. You can't rule in dirty yard, you know.
Then
If you
better,
got a
then
yard,
better
no,
go, then
that
better
you
go
water you
help
want to
find the
drink.
boy a jungle. Blood stain upon them. Blood stain upon them. And people like them get up on live and I tell the people them don't listen. Don't listen to what the Prime Minister say. Coulda go make the boy gone out. Yes, come in at this little miss cause we want to rob you. You dunce and dumb like. But man in a drone. Now when him a go around a beg vote him in a vehicle. Hurricane a blow when him in a vehicle a go around a look vote. What did that happen when Peter Phillips did take a helicopter go St. Mary? Eh? When PJ send blind flight go inspect damage after storm. You know chat about that. When you not go look for boy we wash away down on gardens. Go away. Let go the Prime Minister and go away. You sound so dumb.
Dunce and dunce, man. Dunce like them prime, like the leader.
Prime Minister, I them make him drown.
They
I
said
hope
the
him
That
see
drunk
must
of them
say.
wicked, the
blood
drunk of them
stain
wicked.
upon
Look,
them.
no,
Yeah, they must say
Paris
like
is
Prime
Spain, the
Minister.
same wicked. Then
If
go,
he,
you know,
if
to
he,
go out
yeah, they
there.
must say if he never put curfew, they won't have to go play ball. That they
Yeah,
must say.
yeah.
And say, look at 10-year-old girl who wash her and the one go save her, you see it? Cause, I tell you, one thing, my friend, you see, we see we as
No,
Jamaican.
then him a say, Andrew go whatever, not Andrew can't tell me so I must go. Me not listen to no curfew. I'm going because them did dep on them life the day before I
You're
come
not
say,
ready. I
this
thought
man
you were
want to
ready.
lock down people like sardine tin.
You see the lighter, Queen? Queen, you see the lighter?
I just say a couple more of
I'm
them never run
downstairs.
back and go catch a ball or go catch him. I just say a couple
I'm
more of them
downstairs,
never go
baby.
like all the girl lick miss. The careless girl
What
lick
is it?
them. You can she never wash her face a morning to hear her upon the live. You can know say her face never wash. Get up
I
every
don't
day
know.
and bad mind the Prime Minister like I'm telling never did take your book when you got
I might
school.
use it on the phone.
When him
No,
busy
you don't have
catching
to tell
food,
them
him
what
busy
about if
catch
that's it.
man.
They're gonna pay the point to eat in a restaurant. You have to show ID to go to a restaurant. No, we see what. If that all you not going. Them can't go on, you know. They see them and them wicked. They then come in and peer criticize them and criticize me. No see them come with no solution. Where the solution there?
No solution. No solution, just criticize them and criticize.
Peer carry on like. Hey, that boy they get me pissed a while ago, brother. That boy, Hey, hold on, oh, hold on, oh, hold on, oh. Hold on, oh. Me see one little, me see, hold on, oh, me see one little chicken.